Hey, thanks for tuning in to Hot Off the Wheels. And in this video, I'm going to go through one of these car culture team transport rigs or haulers. So if you want to find out which rig or hauler I'm going to open up for you, well, you're just going to stay tuned. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And let's get started. Alright. Like I said, I'm going to open up one of these for you guys. So, do you, of course, I won't know. You'll just have to be honest. But, can you guess which one I was going to open up out of all 6 of these? So, as you know, I've got these in order here. You've got the Super Nova. You've got the Nissan Skyline HT 2000. You've got the 71 Datsun right there. The 510. I like that. I like all of these, honestly, but got the Nissan 2000 right there. The Nissan Skyline with the van, or the Nissan Skyline van, sorry. And you've got the Porsche 356 Speedster. Now these on the, let's see, what was it? These right here are the, it says 50th on the back right here. Sorry, the 50th right there, that is 2018. The ones on the left are 2019. So just keep that in mind. Love all these a lot. Really sweet. But I'm not gonna waste your time anymore. Guess what? We're gonna open up the Supernova gas there. Check that out. So that's really awesome. I love this car a lot. I just can't help myself. I saw another one and I had to get it. So let's see how hard this thing is gonna be to get into. Okay, not too hard. Boom. So yeah, guys, this is the car culture team transport. Boom. 66 Super Nova retro rig number 7. So we'll look at the truck real quick. I don't think it gives us much detail on the truck. First thing you can notice is the Real Rider tires on there. Second thing is probably the most obvious thing about it, about both, are the matte black finish. I kind of like the color. It's just it's an old 66 Nova. Doesn't need any anything special for paint to look awesome. I will say the bed of the truck right here, I believe it's plastic. The cab and the cab and the base, I guess, are metal. But yeah, the cab and base are metal, but this right here is all plastic. So that's probably my only negative about it. But let's see, black hole logo on there. Dun, dun. I mean, I like the they give some headlights and taillights. So you got the let's see if I can settle my motion down here, my shaking. Get the license plate, all that good stuff. But that's not what you wanted to see. What you want to see is the old 66 Supernova. I love it. Well, let's grab this out. Hopefully it'll stay alright on there. Check that out. You got the exposed engine, just sitting up high. You got the blacked out wheels in the back. You got the Chevy bow tie on right above the rear. You've got the old parachute on the back. Just a lot of details on this. You got 66 right there. Let's see. But yeah, it looks really good. You got, I think it says, let me see if I can. Looks like some Goodyear tires. But yeah, just really awesome transport. Love the Novas. Like I said, I'm a big Nova and Yasser fan. So the Super Nova is just really well detailed. I love the whole series. Like I said, there's a Supernova right there. You got the JDM, the old Datsun Bluebird, or not Bluebird, but 510. Nissan Laurel 2000 SGX. You got the Nissan Skyline van, which is really awesome. I love that a lot. If I could find another one, I'll definitely open it for you guys. Even the Porsche is really sweet. Really hope you like the Supernova and the Car Culture Team Transport. But yeah, like I said, the both, you know, the truck or the hauler and the Supernova have roll rider tires on it. Let's see, there's not a whole lot. I mean, as far as like, I don't know much about Black Hole, the logo. If you know much about Black Hole, definitely leave me a comment below. And is that some moon eyes on the back of the Nova? Looks like it was moon eyes. I could be wrong. But hold on. Once it goes back around, let's take a quick look. Yeah, I love the details. Just really clean. I can't tell. Yeah, it's hard to get the detail to focus. Looks like it to me. Let me know your thoughts. You get the L66 on the back. Some other details. It's really hard to, even with my own eyes, I can't hardly make out. But really hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely, you know, stay tuned. I've got a lot more videos to come. And if I do open up another one, which one should I open up? I really want to open up the Nissan Skyline. It's really sweet. I like that Porsche a lot. But honestly, I do like all of them. But let me know your thoughts on this video and on the Supernova retro rig. I think it's pretty awesome. But I do want to know your thoughts. Do you have this one? Which ones do you have? Leave me a comment. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, definitely consider subscribing. Got a lot of content coming up soon. I do apologize. It does take me a while to work out a video, but I'm definitely got a lot of stuff coming up. So definitely stay tuned. And as always, thank you for watching. I really do hope your diecast and peg hunting has been going well. Mine has been pretty much a bust lately, honestly. I found this one a while back. I've been wanting to show that to you for a while. But